Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So yeah, I know some of you must have missed me. How many of you missed this face? It's been a while. I know, right? It's been a while actually. Not in the sense that I've not been uploading videos, but in the sense that it's been a while since I showed you guys my face here. I think the last time you saw my face was in that my Cantu Shea Butter product review. That was the last time I showed my face here. So yeah, if you missed my face, here am I again. Nothing happened, everything is okay. Some of you would have been thinking probably you know, what's going on with her. This one that she has not been showing her face, what is really going on behind the camera. Nothing is going on. I'm perfectly okay, everything is fine. And for those of you who are new to this channel and you have not seen my face for the first time, welcome to my channel. This is Fantastic Favor, the woman that you've been, you know, watching her cooking videos. I do cooking videos, hair tutorials, vlogs, well, sometimes, yeah, but these days I think I've been focusing more of cooking, but that does not mean I will no longer post any other type of video. If I have anything to share with you, I'll just quickly make a video on that and share with you. But I think some of you, you know, likes cooking. Yeah, I think you guys you prefer cooking to any other videos that I post here. So that's why I'm focusing mainly on cooking now. But I will still be posting my other videos. So that's apart. The reason why I'm making this video today is because lots of people have been asking me, you know, what do I do to my hair? Can I share my hair regimen, or like can I share the secret to why my hair is this long in the space of 3 years? No, well, not 3 years actually, almost 3 years, because I cut my hair in August, 25th of August 2015, and 25th of this August is going to complete 3 good years since I cut my hair. So my beautiful sisters out there, there is no magic to hair growth, like fast hair growth or faster hair growth. There's no magic to it. There's no magic product out there that can grow your hair overnight. In fact, I've never heard that someone's hair grew overnight. I've not heard. If you have heard of that, please let me know, because me, I've not heard, I've not seen that someone's hair grew just overnight. It's not done. Okay, so the first thing you have to bear in mind is your genetics. Your genetics plays a huge role when it comes to hair growth. If your family is the type that their hair grows slowly, then probably you might fall in that area. And if your family is the type that their hair grows very fast, like in 1 month 1 inch, 1 month 1 inch, then you are very lucky. So talking about how I've grown my hair this long, to be honest with you, I've not been doing anything seriously. Like, I do the basic things. When I was in Nigeria, like back then in Nigeria, I never knew anything about natural hair. The only thing I could do to my hair then was to wash my hair. When it was due for me to wash my hair, I just quickly wash it with any soap at all, like my bathing soap. That's what I used to wash my hair. It was that bad. After washing my hair, I dry it with a towel, and then maybe that same day or next day I'll go to my hairdresser and she will make my hair for me. And my hairdresser is the type that doesn't know anything about natural hair. Like, anyhow I come to her, anyhow my hair is looking, that's the way she's going to make it for me. She doesn't care if I washed my hair, she doesn't care if I moisturize my hair. She will just grab her tools and start making my hair for me. Comb it, whether it is dry or not. Like, I don't know, we were all ignorant then. So that was how I kept doing it. I've been natural all my life. Well, not really, because sometimes I do relax my hair when I'm so fed up with my natural hair that I can't comb it, because I used to have a really strong hair. Like when I'm combing my hair, I will literally be shouting. It's not even all about relaxing my hair. I don't know what to do after relaxing my hair. No hair care, nothing. No hair product. Okay, it was that bad. So at a point I got fed up. I went and cut my hair. I have cut my hair several times because I was not able to, you know, keep up with the hair care. I never knew what it meant to take care of your hair. So to cut the long story short now, I came here in Italy, and one day, I think it was on Facebook, I saw Natural Hair Community or something of that nature. So I was like, which one be Natural Hair Community again? So it was really something I never knew. I never knew what it meant then. So some days later, I discovered YouTube. I downloaded the app. I started watching videos here on YouTube, and one day I came across a video of a lady talking about natural hair. I was still confused. I was like, which one is natural hair again? So I know, of course I know that I have a natural hair, but like talking about how to take care of your natural hair and all of that. So I became so interested to know what actually she was talking about, and it happened to be like, I can't really remember what she was talking about then. It has been a long time ago. I can't really remember. So I started, you know, seeing videos coming up, same thing, how to do a protective style, how to condition your hair, how to do a pre-poo. I was like, which one is pre-poo? So I clicked on the video, I watched. It was actually just some water and some oil, like any oil of your choice. Spray some water on your hair, apply the oil, cover your hair with a plastic bag and go to bed. Then the next day you can shampoo your hair. So yeah, I learned it and I was like, okay, wow, this is really interesting. I'm so interested to know all about my natural hair. So I started, you know, watching so many videos about natural hair. I started Googling. Oh my goodness, I bombarded Google with too many questions back then. And Google really helped me. It kept answering all my questions, giving me what I wanted to hear. So oh my god, this is so funny whenever I remember how it all started. So I came to know all about, not all about natural hair, but some things, because I've learned some things that has really helped me to grow my hair this long. This is real life, guys. I've been carrying this hair for 3 weeks now, I think. Yeah, I just washed my hair and I've been carrying it this way for about 3 weeks now. The only thing I do to it is I just brush it with a brush and I go my way. So yeah, what am I trying to say? What I'm trying to say is that I am not doing anything. I'm not doing anything fancy or anything expensive. Like, I even use inexpensive products to take care of my hair. The day I learned how to make my hair, guys, I was all over the place. I was so excited. I was so proud of myself that I could make my hair myself. You guys, it was so exciting. Back then in Nigeria, when my mom's brother's wife will be making her hair, we'll be by the corner calling her a witch. Like, you can imagine calling someone a witch just because she was making her hair by herself. And we were like, how was she able to see the back of her hair? You know, she was doing attachments, those long ones, so not short ones, the long ones. And we all were surprised how she was able to see the back of her hair to make her hair all by herself. So the day I learned this thing, I was like, now I understand what my auntie was doing back then. Now I understand. She's actually not a witch. So my beloved sisters, I was so excited the day I learned how to make my hair by myself. It it was so sweet. Okay, so what I'm trying to say is you have to love your hair. Whether you have a fine hair, you have a thin hair, you have a full hair, you have a whatever type of hair you have to love your hair. You have to have patience with your hair. Don't be in a hurry to have a long hair. You've seen lots of people with long hair, like it has happened to me. I'm talking from experience. Those days when I see people with a long hair, I will be like, is it not the same God that created all of us? So why is their hair very long and beautiful while my hair is very short? Don't be like that. Like if you start comparing your hair to other people's hair, I tell you, even if your hair is growing, you will not notice it. Just embrace your hair, whether you have a 4C hair, a 4B hair, a 4Z hair, whatever type of hair you have. Embrace your hair, love your hair, be patient with your natural hair. And also try to watch some other YouTubers who, who you have the same hair type with. Don't go and be watching, maybe you have a 4C hair just like me. I have a 4C hair, thick one at that too. And then you go and be watching somebody with a 4B hair, very beautiful, with a very beautiful curls. When she's making her hair, the thing will be doing like this, and you are there dying. Hey, when will my hair be like this? Watch people with the same hair type and texture as you do. Don't go and be watching someone that is with 4B. When you have a 4B hair, you are watching someone with a 4C hair. It doesn't work that way. Just watch people that will motivate you, inspire you to love your own hair. Okay, that's what I did, and it has really been of a great help to me. I think then when I started watching these YouTubers, I watched Natural 85, I watched Napifu. Oh my goodness, Napifu. She's such an amazing lady, full of information in her video, full of informations. I also watched Discovering Natural. I watched Chic Natural or Natural Chic. So many of them, I watched their videos. I try to watch those people that has the same hair texture as I do, to encourage me, to motivate me. And truly, I've seen a great change in my hair. I'm not going to lie, because my hair used to be very hard. I can't comb my hair. Even if it is wet, I can't comb my hair. Not to talk of combing it when it is very dry. But since I've learned a little about taking care of my natural hair, like I do pre-poo, I shampoo my hair, I deep condition my hair, I moisturize my hair when it is very dry. Since I've learned all those things, it has really helped me. Now my hair is more manageable and soft. I'm telling you, my hair is more manageable now than it used to be before. So ever since I learned how to take care of my hair, I've been enjoying the journey. It has been such a wonderful journey for me. I really enjoy making my hair so much, though it can be a little bit overwhelmed sometimes, but trust me, it is something that I love doing. It is my hair. If I don't take care of my hair, nobody will do that for me. So you have to learn how to love your hair, be patient with your hair, and in no time your hair will grow. Okay, your hair grows naturally. All these products out there, they are just giving a helping hand. Your hair grows naturally. Don't think that I am doing something and I don't want to share with you. I'm not doing anything secretly. I think I've shown you guys most of the things I do to my hair. The way I wash my hair, the way I deep condition, the way I moisturize my hair when it is dry, the way I also moisturize my hair even during a protective style. So you can go back and check those videos if you need help. You can check those videos, how to style your hair. And someone else also asked me to make a video on how to get rid of dry hair. To be honest, you really need to do all these things. If you need to pre-poo, do it. It is very good. It helps a lot. pre-pull your hair, if you don't know how to do it, watch a video on YouTube. There are tons of videos here on YouTube showing you how to do a pre-pull before you shampoo your hair. You can as well watch videos on how to deep condition your hair, how to moisturize your hair. They are all over the place. Watch videos, okay? I can't tell you everything in this one video. Besides, I don't know it all. I'm just sharing with you my little knowledge. So that's it. If you are struggling with a dry hair, which I used to do before, I used to struggle with a really dry and brittle hair. My hair breaks a lot. But now that I've mastered my hair, I know what my hair wants. You have to know what your hair likes or what your hair wants and give it to it. So since I've mastered what my hair wants and what my hair loves, my hair doesn't break as much, like shedding too much. No, I don't experience excess shedding anymore, and my hair feels softer now than it used to be. My hair is even more manageable. Like, I can easily detangle my hair without shouting and crying like I used to do before. So you can watch lots of videos here on YouTube on how to deal with a dry and brittle hair. I think that will be all for this video. But anyway, I hope you really enjoyed this video. Please, if there's something else you want to add to this, just do it in the comment section below. Maybe your comment might help someone out there. If you think there are tips you have to share, you can just leave it in the comment section below. Let's continue the discussion down there. And yeah, thank you guys so much for your love and support here on this channel. I really do appreciate. If not for you guys, I don't know where this channel would have been by today. But thanks to you all who have been supporting me, watch my videos, like my videos, leave me comments. You know, your comments, they keep me motivated, they encourage me to make more videos. I thank you all so much, and that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please, if you do, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Like I said before, I can't say everything in this video. This video is already too long. I will cut it here and we will continue probably next time. Please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and join the family. Join the family. It is free. You don't have to pay any dime to subscribe. I promise you, you don't have to pay anything. It is for your own good though. Just subscribe and watch my videos free of charge. Alright, so for those of you who asked me the questions both on Facebook and here on YouTube, I hope this video really helped. If not, I don't know what else to say. These are the things I do to my hair to keep it going. So I really do hope this video has helped you in any way. Like I said before, you can watch tons of videos here on YouTube. Watch videos and watch videos of people that have the same hair type and texture as you do. And above all, do not allow your hair to define your beauty. Don't allow that. Love, cherish, embrace your hair. Be patient with your hair and it will grow. Do the right things, okay? Do the right things to your hair and see your hair flourish. So that will be all for this video. Thank you so much for spending your time with me. Until I come your way next time, remember to be you and do you. Bye guys.